Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about this V200 Pro, which has been kindly sent to us, and we're going to open up, get into it, and I'll show you exactly what it is and what it does. Fantastic bit of kit. Let's get into it. So this is what you get in the box. You get a standard looking power probe, and also you get this new circuit breaker tester where you can go along, find breaks in the wire. So let's get this hooked up to this van in front of me and we'll see how well it works. So now we just plug in our connector and we connect it up to power source. This is going straight to the battery, and this has got tons of cable, so working on vans, cars shouldn't be a problem. Then we have this little switch here, and we're going to go to position 1, which will turn on our Vdiagtool. So now this has multiple functions, you can see up there, and we can scroll through those by using this red button. And we can check diodes, we can check voltage, we can check resistance, basic power probe stuff. And with this button here, we can press up, and you can see it will put power to whatever you're probing. And if we press down, it will also inject earth to whatever we're probing. So that's a great bit of kit for testing starter motors when you go in the engine bay, and then you can go down onto the power supply and give it your own power supply and turn over the engine. Hopefully that will diagnose whether you have faulty starter motor or not. And with the other functions, we have ohms, so we can go onto fuses. We go in the fuse board, check the fuses, and it makes all sorts of noises. Diode tester, I've never tested a diode in my life, but I'm sure it's good for someone. So that's a great bit of kit there. It does come with a 12 volt accessory power lead, so if you want to plug it into your cigarette lighter, and also another extension cable and a manual. So that extension cable, if you're working on lorries and stuff, that would be handy. But this circuit breaker tester is meant to be really good. So the way this one works is we switch over our plug onto number 2, and then we put our red crocodile clip onto the wire that we're testing. So say it was 10, that's the wire, and then we would get this, and then we would run along that wire until it beeps to find the brake. Obviously I don't have a broken wire to test it on, but that's how it works, and I can't wait to test it as soon as I can get in a job with that requirement. But overall, this Vdiagtool is very sturdy, very good quality, and is actually going to be perfect for everyday use in the motor trade, or just anyone in general really that needs a power probe. So you actually turn this on the side here, and you can turn it all the way up, and you can hear it's picking up a signal. So this red wire is sending out a signal, and then it will pick it up and audibly let you know when you found a broken wire. So if we switch back to the power probe now, so what you do is you switch that back onto number 1, and if we just go down here onto the battery, you can see that it lights up red to show that you're on a positive side, 12.5 volts, and if you go to the negative side, it will come up green. So if you're probing around in the engine bay and you're trying to find earths, this is a perfect way to do it. So if we just come over this side and go, oh, and it's got these handy LED torches, look. So we're dark down here, and then you can see that turns green to show you that you're on earth. And obviously if you was on a power, it would show you power. Let's go back to our power source. There you go, it's gone red. And obviously at this point, if you were to press one of these buttons, you would inject power or earth down that probe into whatever you're probing. And also if you're off the vehicle and you're testing a bulb, you can use this black crocodile clip, put it onto say a bulb negative side, and then you'd put this onto the positive side and then inject positivity into it and light it up. So there you have it. This is the new Vdiagtool V200 Pro with circuit breaker tester, which is going to come in very, very handy in the future. I will make another video as soon as I can about that working, but the overall construction on this is fantastic. heavy duty, feels sturdy as well, not cheap flimsy crap. But yeah, if you want to grab one of these, I'll leave a link down in the description, and also they very kindly provided a discount code, so you guys can get a little bit of discount off this. So get it whilst you can, and comment if you've got one or you're using one now, and let me know how you're getting on. See you in the next one.